Noodle Factory is easy to use. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to the catalog page, which will show you all the available curriculums or courses. Each course may contain one or more modules. If you see a course you're interested in, add the course to your plan. This way, whenever you log into your Noodle Factory account, you can go directly to your plan to start learning. All of our modules have been designed to provide essential and practical information that you can use on the job. You can easily navigate directly to the topic of interest, or you can follow the recommended sequence. Now, most modules will contain audio voiceovers, which can be paused using the media buttons. Similarly, the modules may contain videos, which can be controlled by the media buttons and viewed in full screen mode. The modules may also contain downloadable resources, which are handy job aids that you can print out and reference when needed. Quizzes and activities help you to put your newly acquired knowledge to practice. Within the Noodle Factory Learning Portal, you can also interact with other learners through the communities and discussion boards. Communities allow you to reach out to fellow learners on specific courses, while discussion boards are used for general discussion topics. If you wish to make a direct query to the instructor, you can do so using the Queries feature. All courses have assigned instructors, so you can be sure to get a response to your query. We really hope you have fun learning on Noodle Factory.